Kalimera and welcome to lesson number 2, where you learn how to read, for now, and speak, a bit later, modern Greek language. In the previous lesson, you learned the alphabet. If you missed it, or it was a long time ago, you can check it out again here. And only when you learned all the letters of the alphabet, their pronunciation, and how to write them, come back to this video, where I will give you a few extra tips. And then you will be able to say, wow, I can read Greek. So in Greek alphabet, every letter has its own sound. But sometimes when two letters are together, the sound they make is different. That's what we're talking about today. So let's go. Pame. Alpha and iota. When they are together, we don't say I, we say e. For example, in a word, ne. The letters omicron iota, pronounced as e, like in a word, fili. Epsilon iota, I, like in a word, icona. Omicron ypsilon, U, like in the word uso. Two gammas next to each other, gamma gamma, ng. For example, the word fengari. Gamma hi, nh, like in the word anjos. Taf sigma, t, like in the word korici. Taf zeta, z, like in the word tzatziki. We have 4 more. You can do it. Mi, pi. It's pronounced like b, like in the word bravo. Ni, taf, d, like in the word disco. Alpha and epsilon together can make 2 different sounds. Av or af. Αύριο, αυτοκίνητο. Epsilon, ypsilon can make 2 different sounds. Ev and F. Ευρώπη and ευχαριστώ. So that's it. When you learn the alphabet and these few tips, you can say, I read Greek. Let's keep going because I'm not stopping there. Okay? Before I say yasas, let's revise all the words we've mentioned today so you can practice. You read them, I'll read them after you. Let's go. Ne. Fili. Icona. Uso. Fengari. Anjos. Korici, tzatziki. Bravo. Disco. Αύριο. Αυτοκίνητο. Ευρώπη. Ευχαριστώ. That's it for today. See you in the next class where we'll learn new things about modern Greek. If you struggle with any of this, let us know. Tell us in the comments or send us a message and I'll be sure to help you out with Greek because it's super cool. Yasas!